everybody. This is going to be a tutorial for turning in your projects in progress. So the first thing you'll do is go to Google Classroom and you'll go to your assignment. This one will be value practice. You will be shading a sphere. You'll go down here to the doc that I attached and you'll have your own. Click on that. And this page will come up and it's got my information and your name should be up here. And it'll have on here the warm-up, bell ringer, and you're going to browse a variety of drawings for this one. Tell me what kind of shading is the most interesting and tell me why. The boxes with the yellow match the directions for what I'm telling you, and then the blue ones are where you put your answers. So beside the blue one is where you put your answers, and I put the most interesting kind of shading to me is cross-hatching but it's your answer, whatever kind of shading you think. After you've done that, you come down here to the next step, and this is to watch the tutorial about how to draw a sphere. Click on that, and there will be a little link, and you go to YouTube and you watch that tutorial. After you watch the tutorial, or while you're watching the tutorial, you'll come down to step 3 and you'll follow those directions. In this case, it says to draw and shade a sphere and indicate the light source. Okay? After you've done that, you can just do that on a piece of paper with a pencil, whatever you've got. After you draw it and you shade it and indicate the light source, or whatever the directions are for this particular project, then you're going to take a picture of it and you're going to upload it. And you can just use your phone or a Kindle, whatever camera. And you're going to upload it into this box. Now what you're going to do is click on this blue box right here, and right down here at the bottom, click the edit button. And it'll come up here and it'll say drawing at the top. So this is where you want to upload your drawing that you just did, that you just took a picture of. You want to upload it into this, and you do that by coming up here and clicking on this icon. It will say image. Once you hover over it, click on that, and then you can pick your image from, if you put it on your Google Drive or if it's in your images, your pictures on your phone. You're going to choose an image to upload, and I've got one that I put on here, a practice sphere. There we go. Practice sphere. And open. Okay, now we want the sphere to be inside of the blue box. So you may have to resize it. You may have to make it smaller, or you may have to make it bigger, whichever. Just make sure that it's in this blue box, and you can make it bigger again if you need to. Make it as big as you can, but keep it inside of that blue box. Okay, and then you're going to save and close. Save and close. And then you will turn it in. There will be a turn in button up here. And once you turn it in, I will be able to go back in and I can click edit. And there are these little tools up here, and I can choose one such as the scribble. And this way I can draw things to show you what might need to be fixed or improved. In this instance, it didn't indicate the light source. So I'll draw a little arrow to show that there should be a light source there, and then I can put in a text box and give you instructions. Like for this one is, don't forget to indicate the light source. And so glad for spell check. There we go. And then I will return this to you so you can go back with your actual drawing on paper and fix whatever might need to be fixed. And that's how we're going to turn in works in progress. All right. Thanks for watching.